Welcome to Dude Does the World. This is Drew Mac here, your dog. Alright guys.
Let me cook something and
We just made it. Check it out. This is the Bachelor Pad de Oscar. Check it out.
this.
I don't think it's real. It's the living room and my room. Hell yeah. Upgrade. Some home away from home. Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome. This Dude Does the World. About to go head up the dentist. Alright, we're going back to the dentist. Get some more dental work done. And about to go get some crowns. Drinking some coffee before I head down there. We're gonna jump on Oscar's motorcycle and we're gonna go get my teeth done. Alright, headed out.
Life don't give you lemons, life just gives you seeds. You gotta cultivate and irrigate, don't fear to shake the demons that appear to break your dreams and stay to irritate your needs. All these forms of communication got us disconnected as ever, no longer.
Alright, we just made it. Dentist. This root canal crew setting up. Mi amigas. Just waiting here to get my tooth drilled. Not really excited. Stay tuned. Alright, what's up you guys? About to get my teeth worked on here. The crown. That's my crown. Alright. Alright YouTube, what's up? I just got done with my root canal surgery. This is my root canal specialist.
Hello, how are you?
So good. But stay tuned you guys. Thank you for watching, and this is Dude Does the World. Alright you guys, just got back from the dentist. All finished, walking home. So fillings are like $60. My crown was $250, and they had a root canal done, which was $250. 34. So I'm like, I almost spent $510 for one root canal, a filling, and a crown. And then my plane ticket to Costa was only $400 from LAX. So I was about around $900, which is super good deal. I mean, I would have been spending almost $3 grand in States around there. So if you guys want any tips or suggestions getting your teeth done, hit me up. All right, everyone, just jumped in a taxi with mi amigo. Your name?
Your name?
Your name. Me Andres.
Andres Olman.
Omar.
Olman.
Omar right here. Subscribe and hit the link below, and I appreciate all you, everyone. I love you, and shakala.